Hello, my name is Philip Moss, and what you see me holding here is a soldered glass mirror, one of only a few in the world, done by the inventor, Dustin Del Grande. This mirror is actually soldered together. It was done in 1981 by the inventor of the Del Grande process, which is something you can see online. If you want more information, look up the Del Grande process. It was a patented process. You can use that to solder anything to anything, but what you see here is soldered glass. If any interest at all, my email number is pmossfl@comcast.net. My phone number is 484-437-0498. From soldering the glass together, you can get up and down, you can get perpendicular structures, things that have never been done before in glass, and wood, and other materials. So give me a call. This is very, very unique.